So the next question is, in which of the following page replacement algorithm Bilardi's anomaly may occur? So what is Bilardi's anomaly? Bilardi's anomaly says that it is not necessary that if you increase the frame number in main memory, the page fault will be reduced. Like first we have 3 frame in main memory, and there are a sequence of page reference. Now we have increased the frame to 3 to 4, but Bilardi's anomaly says that it is not necessary that page fault will decrease. So the question is, which of the following page replacement algorithm suffers from Bilardi's anomaly? Options are FIFO, optimal, LRU and MRU. MRU is most recently used, LRU means least recently used, FIFO means first in first out, and optimal. So the algorithm which does not follow the working set algorithm will suffer from Bilardi's anomaly, and for this option FIFO is the correct option. So only one algorithm which does not follow the working set algorithm is FIFO, and that's why FIFO suffers from Bilardi's anomaly. So FIFO is the correct option.